Yo, what's popping? This Bob Binky and back for another video. Today I will show you how to overheating your iPhone. The first thing, make sure your iPhone is last updated. Let's check. You go to setting, from setting go to general, from general go to software update, and wait for a second. That depends on your internet connection. And you see I have the last version iOS 15. If you may not have that, you need to update it. And after that, go to you need to swap up and close all sorts of app that overheating your iPhone, and make sure you are in the last version in your apps. Go to App Store and check your last object. You need to update all your apps that may cause you overheating your iPhone. Go to account. From account, you see update. You need to update all these sort of app, Reddit, etc. And number 3, make sure your storage is enough. Go to setting. From setting, go to general. From general, go to iPhone storage. Enter under the CarPlay and hit iPhone storage. You make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone that will overheat your iPhone. If you not have problem here, you need to restart your iPhone. Go to general. From general, scroll down until you see transfer or restart iPhone. You see you need to erase all content and setting. That will fix you. That's the last option if you're not able to overheating your iPhone. You need to restart your iPhone in factory restart. And this video for today, I hope it for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.